Hi, superstars. Today we'll be talking about 5 businesses you can start this year and make very good money from it. These 5 businesses are termed dirty, but guess what? It is very, very lucrative. It has no demure, very derogatory, no swag, but there's loads and loads of money to be packed from it. I've done one of those businesses and I'm glad I did. So in this video, I'll be telling you those businesses you can do, dirty businesses, all right? What people don't know actually is that whatever is termed dirty has lots of people running away from it. So it is not saturated. And the few people who have the guts to go ahead and do it pack loads and loads of money from it. So I'll be exposing you to those businesses, my superstars. All right. So let's get started. First on my list is firewood business. Okay, so firewood is one thing that is used by a lot of people. It's used industrially, it's used commercially, and it's used by a lot of people. So many people have now gone into use of firewood for cooking. Most commercial places that are into cooking in large scale use firewood because of the cost of gas, okay? So they realize that using firewood to cook reduces cost of production. And there's this trend about firewood rice, okay? Lots of people love firewood rice, okay? So there's a market for firewood. All you have to do is go to the village and buy your firewood. Okay, I know that a pickup of firewood cost about 35,000 naira in the village. A full pickup of firewood cost about 35,000 naira, and a full bus of firewood cost about 40,000 naira to 45,000 naira. Okay, if you happen to supply it to these places where they cook commercially or to companies, you could supply it at 80,000 naira, 100,000 naira. Okay, and some people even go a step further to tie it into wraps of 500 naira, okay, and then resell it to users. We have even users at the local level, people who use firewood to cook because they can't afford gas, okay. So if you even if you happen to tie it in 500 naira wraps and resell it, you realize that at the end of the day you make about 100,000 from something you bought 35,000 naira, 40,000 naira. Is that not good profit? Okay, and you sell out in a very short possible time. So firewood is very, very lucrative. Although people call it dirty, it is lucrative. Okay, so next on my list is charcoal. Charcoal is another product that is very, very lucrative. It is used not just locally, as in indigenously within Nigeria. Charcoal has a very high economic value and can be exported to other countries. Okay, so we have lots of charcoal stove, and lots of people have resorted to using charcoal to cook due to the high cost of gas. Okay, so lots of people are using charcoal stove to cook food. It is used industrially, it is used commercially. Okay, so charcoal has a high market value. But you know what? People think it's dirty because the place you keep charcoal, the packaging and everything, by the time you're done, you look very, very dirty. But guess what, my superstars? After everything, you can sell your charcoal and make good money from it. And you can also export charcoal. Yes, charcoal can be exported. If you doubt me, go and check Jumia, check Alibaba, okay, check all those commercial websites, e-commerce websites. You will see charcoal. So there's a market for charcoal in Nigeria and outside Nigeria. So charcoal is a very good product you can start this year and make good money from it. Just carry out your research before you get started. All right, my superstars. Okay, so next on my list is Periwinkle. Oh my god, some people will be like, ID, what is this one now? How can I come and sell Periwinkle with all my swag and all that? Yeah, Periwinkle looks dirty, but it's very, very lucrative. You know that so many people use periwinkle to cook. I know of a tribe that they put periwinkle in virtually every food, and not just in scanty quantity, in very large quantities. So starting periwinkle business is very, very lucrative. If you happen to buy the periwinkle in bags and then remove it from the shell and then dehydrate the periwinkle, okay, you can export it. Dehydrated periwinkle is of very high market value right now. You can export it to other countries, you can send it, you can sell it online and make good money from it. There is market in periwinkle, my superstars. It looks small but very, very mighty. You have to do your research to know communities you can buy your periwinkle at very, very affordable rates and high quantities. From there you can go ahead and process it, dehydrate it, package it and sell your periwinkle. Okay, you may have to do good marketing if you want to reach out to those communities, people outside the country that need it in large quantities. You may have to get involved in social media marketing. From there you can reach your target audience and you are in business. All right, my superstars, in the meantime, have you liked this video? Please give me a thumbs up, hit the like button, and don't forget to share. And all right, that's all I ask. Let's continue. Next on my list is palm oil. You know what? When I started palm oil business, I was so not bold about it. I felt like it was not demure. Okay, it was not beautiful. I was like, how can a graduate like me sell palm oil? But guess what? When I had the boldness to go ahead and get into the business, I realized that there's a lot of profits waiting to be packed in palm oil business. It took a lot of guts to get started, but I'm glad I did. Palm oil business is very, very lucrative. It looks dirty, but it's very lucrative. Buying palm oil in its season of abundance and storing it to resell in its season of scarcity is another business you can do to make money. All you have to do is keep your money, and when the price of palm oil drops, is in abundance, you go ahead and buy it and then you store it. You can store it, and then when it is in season of scarcity, you go ahead and sell it. Okay, so you can choose to sell it to consumers, although it may take time, or you can sell it to bulk buyers and then sell out as fast as possible. So palm oil business is very, very lucrative. And if you're looking for a business you can do, this one is tested and trusted. I've done lots of videos on this channel on how to start a profitable palm oil business, and I give updates from time to time for those who are interested. So go ahead and check it out. All right, my superstars, all you need is a good oil. Knowing a good oil is very, very important. Okay, as that's what will help you sell out effectively. Okay, so that is it. Very lucrative but dirty. All right, next on my list is waste disposal system. Okay, so we have so many houses in VIP areas that need this service. Okay, all right, we have so many people who have waste, but they are too busy to dispose of the waste. All you have to do is go to an estate where rich people, where the la creme of the society live, and then reach out to them that you'll be disposing of their waste daily. All right, they would love that. Okay, they would be so happy about it. Set your charge, and every day you go from house to house and pick up waste from them and then go and dispose of it. You may have to work in partnership with waste disposal system in your state. Okay, find out where they dispose waste, and you may need a few documentations, permissions to go ahead, and that is it. You may need a truck that will you pack the load, the garbage and all that, but after all that is all there is to it. You are in business. Daily you go about packing garbage and then you dispose of it and then you make your money. So there are lots of businesses you can do to make money. They may not look demure, they may not look clean, may look really, really dirty, But if you carry out your research and decide to get started, you'll be so glad you did. Okay, do you have any question? If you have any question, please leave it in the comment section and I'll get right back to you. Okay, my superstars, have you liked this video? Please give me a thumbs up, as this will encourage me to bring more contents like this. Alright? Thank you for watching, my superstars. Have you subscribed? Please hit the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so you'll be notified whenever there's a new video. Thank you for watching, my superstars. Till our next video, always and always remember that I love you. Bye, superstars.